Welcome to our YouTube video. Today, we are diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when trying to create a transition effect for a list. The issue arises when the content of the list appears instantly after the transition animation, causing a less than desirable user experience. Let's tackle this problem head-on and find a solution that will make your list transitions smooth and seamless. Now, let's explore the solution to our problem. The key lies in utilizing a custom property, MH, and setting it to 0 by default in the CSS style. By following the provided JavaScript code snippet, we can efficiently handle the visibility of the list container and ensure that the transition effect works as intended. This approach simplifies the code and enhances the overall performance of the list transition animation. Continuing with our solution, we focus on the CSS styling that will bring our list transition to life. By incorporating the specified styling properties for the button and list container, including the max height calculation and transition duration, we create a visually appealing and functional list. Additionally, the use of an unordered list, instead of a div further enhances the scrollable nature of the content within the list. Moving forward with our solution, we complete the implementation by crafting the HTML structure for our scrollable list. The addition of list items within the unordered list ensures a structured and organized display of content. By integrating the on-click event for the button and properly structuring the list container, we finalize the setup for a flawless list transition effect that users will appreciate. To sum it up, we tackle the challenge of creating a smooth list transition effect by utilizing custom properties, efficient JavaScript handling, and optimized CSS styling. Now, your list can gracefully transition into view, providing users with a seamless and engaging experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding!